Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy students and staff. Hi, this is Harold, coming to you live from the WHVR studio. Today is Wednesday, January 29th, 2020. The weather today in Schaumburg will be 32 degrees with cloudy skies. Now please stand and join us in saying our nation's pledge.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Today's announcements are: today is a half day. We will dismiss at 11:40. Make sure someone knows you will be coming home early. There are no clubs meeting today. Clubs meeting tomorrow morning are: Puzzle Club will meet at 8 a.m. in room 101. Now a message from Mrs. Rosenblum.
Good morning, Hoover Math and Science Academy staff and students. It's another wonderful day to be here. Just like you come to school to learn, today is an extra special day for our staff because we get to spend the whole afternoon learning together. So while you're heading home at 11:40, we're actually going to be coming together to learn and get even better at providing exciting lessons and doing great work for you. Boys and girls, how many of you brought a lunch to school today? If there's a lunch in your backpack right now, could you please raise your hand? Teachers, my guess is if the students brought a lunch today, their parents probably think they're going to be here all day. So if you could help us out and we make sure we get some phone calls out to those parents just as a reminder. And as was already shared, thank you. Boys and girls, if you think maybe your parents don't know, let's give them a call and remind them now so that they are ready to see you when you come home today at 11:40. All right, I have two very special guests today that are going to highlight a wonderful event tomorrow night.
My name is Harima.
My name is Neva.
Tomorrow is the multicultural event at Hoover.
We will be two of the students performing at the multicultural.
Come to the event and see what other cultures do.
It is really fun. There is games, food, and performances.
We hope to see you there.
Wow, thank you girls so much, and I'm so excited to see your performance. I'm really looking forward to it. So boys and girls, the multicultural event is available for any student and their family at Hoover School, so we hope you'll come tomorrow night and join in the fun. All right, I have some celebrations. We have 3 classrooms that earned lunch golden ticket celebrations. Congratulations to room 209 who chose to play silent ball, to room 205 who did balloon volleyball, and to room 106 who got to do something special at recess. Way to go. All right, we also have our golden ticket winners. Congratulations, yay, Miss Benson's class, who earned 40 golden tickets and celebrated with a Teacher Can't Say Student Names Day. Whoa, I bet that was quite a challenge for Mrs. Benson. Congratulations also to room 119. Miss Budney's room earned 55 golden tickets. And wow, it looks like they did a fabulous job working hard and being focused in music, in guided reading, and even with SEL. Way to go, room 119. All right, Hoover, let's be champions together.
Thank you, Mrs. Rosenblum. Have a wild Wednesday.